Hello, we are going to go through your math assignment. So yesterday you guys were working on even and odd numbers. Today you're going to be working on that again, and we're going to be working on an assignment called sock sets. So let's go through really quickly and let's talk about the difference of even and odd numbers. So I want you to do this with me, okay? So our even numbers, say it with me, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, okay? So let's go ahead and let's dive into this assignment together, okay? The assignment is called sock sets, okay? It says, is the number of socks even or odd? So you're going to go ahead and we'll do this first one together, and we're going to count the number of socks that are on the page and determine if it is even or odd. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So is 10 even or odd? I believe we just talked about it being even. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to move this bucket. And I would just say move the bucket to the middle of the page, okay? Did you notice that once I moved the bucket, this check mark showed up? Do you think that's good or bad? The check mark means it's good. The check mark means that that's correct, okay? So if you were to pick odd, it would have been an X, meaning that it's wrong. I kind of like that, so that helps you guys, okay? So this one is even. We did that one together, and I'm going to leave it like that for an example, okay? So this one, it says, is the number of socks even or odd? How many socks do we have? 1. And would that be even or odd? All right, I'm not going to count any more of the socks because I want you guys to practice counting. It says, is the number of socks even or odd? You're going to slide the bucket to the middle after you've counted all of the socks and determined if it's even amount or an odd amount. Is the number of socks even or odd? Count all of the socks. Move an even bucket or an odd bucket to the middle after you figured out if it's even or odd number. Is the number of socks even or odd? Count the number of socks and determine if it's even or odd and move that bucket to the middle. Is the number of socks even or odd? Count all of the socks. Slide the bucket to the middle if it's even or odd. Okay, you guys get the idea now, right? Is the number of socks even or odd? Count them up, move the bucket. All right. This last part down here is talking about number sense and candy counts, okay? So what you are going to do is you're going to count the amount of candies, okay? And then you are going to put the number right here of how many candies there are, okay? So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 candies there. I typed in the number 5, okay? And you are going to point to the word even or odd for each jar of candies, okay? So then you'll count these, figure out if it's even or odd, count these, figure out if it's even or odd, count these for even or odd, and then count all of these for even and odd, and then count these for even and odd. Okay, guys, have fun with this. It's a lot of fun. Let me know if you have any questions.